Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, I'm Ryan.
I'm Charlotte.
We're diary around the world. At the moment we're in beautiful
Fuerteventura. It's located in the Canary Islands of Spain.
This island has a diversity in landscapes. We're gonna show you all of that right now. And if you like the video, don't forget to
like and subscribe.
We just made it to Playa de los Ojos.
It's located on the south side of the island.
It's a beautiful beach. It's not that busy. It is a long way driving a sandy road, but it's a beautiful scenery. Also on the south side you have this cute little village called Cofete. Here we had some of the best local food on the island. Now we're taking you to the beautiful black beaches of Ahoy. They also have some caves to explore here. We just made it to Arque de las Penitas.
It's a cool place where you can find rock formations and amazing views.
Now we're at Puertito de los Molinos. This little village is located on the west coast of the island.
We're now in the city center of Coraleo.
And yeah, as you see behind us, it's different from the landscape that we're used to. But we're gonna go get some after sun because Charlotte got pretty burned.
Today is an office day. I'm working on a new blog and I also answer some emails.
And I'm doing some research on Lobos Island because we're heading there. And afterwards we're gonna play a match of pool. We just made it to Molino Verdes. Charlotte is behind me. There's some cute little windmills here and a great place to check a sunset. Behind me the sun is going down and there's another windmill right there. Now we're taking you to the famous popcorn beach. These small white algae fossils cover the whole coast and they look exactly like little puffed popcorns. Definitely a must.